Last one about Apple. You should update your iPhone right now. This is a PSA. Apple urges. Apparently, all iPhones have been compromised recently, and a new software update has been pushed, emergency software update to close the gap that's letting the exploit in as Mo checks his iPhone and begins his update. He's been exploited. Apple said 2 security issues stem from its WebKit, open source browser engine used by Safari and iOS browsers. A remote attacker may be able to cause arbitrary code execution. And kernel, an Apple developer framework, was also affected. So right now, Mo has an attacker inside of his phone about to cause arbitrary code execution, which is not going to be good for Mo. And so I recommend an update, and I recommend
scrambling?
an update a fast update. So this goes for everyone. Now, the exploit was originally reported by an anonymous researcher. I guess he gets a bounty for that, a bug bounty. They don't say how much money that should be, but I feel like that's kind of a big deal when you point that stuff out. And it encourages those to work on the good team, to report the thing instead of exploit it themselves. But anyway, at least there's an update that's been pushed out. And if you are an iPhone user, it is time to update. And what is the current version? 14.4 now? Yes, iOS 14.4. It also includes fixes for keyboard lag and allows smaller QR codes to be read by the camera. That's also part of the update.